In this quick video, I'll demonstrate in two parts how to install Barika for Shopify and how to configure Shopify email templates for Barika co-marketing.
Barika helps Shopify store owners earn revenue by hosting partner offers in their flows, or reach new customers by placing offers in partner messages. Let's get started. Part 1: How to install Barika for Shopify. To begin, make sure you have a Shopify store and can log into the store admin successfully. Step 1: Find Barika in your Shopify store admin. In your Shopify store admin, click on Apps and search for Barika in the search field at the top of the page. Click on Barika to install the Barika app. Step 2: Authorize the Barika for Shopify connection. After installing Barika, you have to authorize the connection between your Shopify store and Barika. Begin by logging in to an existing Barika account or create a new Barika account. This will immediately initiate the connection setup wizard. Step 3: Complete the 3-step Barika plus Shopify connection setup wizard. The wizard walks you through the setup in 3 steps. First, you will select a primary industry sector for your store. If your store sells products across multiple industry sectors, add additional secondary industry sectors. Click Continue to proceed. Next, you will review the Barika Terms of Service and authorize your Shopify store for co-marketing. Click Continue to proceed. In the final step, review and click to activate the Barika plus Shopify connection. Step 4: View your Barika for Shopify connection details in the Barika Integration Center. With your Barika for Shopify installation and connection now complete, view the connection details in the Barika Integration Center. Expand the Connected Platforms section to see your Barika for Shopify connection. Click Manage Settings on the Shopify card. Here you'll find your connection status, store details, email settings and template setup, and help and resources. That brings us to the end of part 1, where we've demonstrated how to install Barika and successfully connected your Shopify store to Barika. In part 2, I'll show you how to set up your Shopify email templates for Barika co-marketing. Let's get started. Part 2: How to set up Shopify email templates for Barika co-marketing. From your Barika dashboard, go to Integration Center. Expand the Connected Platforms section. Look for the Shopify connection card and click on Manage Settings. In the Shopify Integration Settings page, expand the Email Settings and Template Setup section. Click on Set up Shopify email templates to reveal details. There are 3 main sections in the Set up Shopify email templates section. The first you will see is the How to set up Shopify email templates in Barika. Second is the step-by-step installation instructions. And finally, email templates. For the purpose of this video, we will focus on the email templates. Notice there are 2 groups here. At the top, you see templates with copy and open buttons. These are the email types you've enabled for co-marketing. Below that, you'll see a locked templates section. These are email types that aren't enabled yet, so you cannot install the snippet for them. To unlock more templates, click Enable More Templates. This takes you to the Settings section above. Here you can see your co-marketing toggles. Each enabled template is a new revenue opportunity. The more templates you enable, the more earnings for your store. You can toggle templates individually or use the Enable All button to enable all 6 at once. You need at least 2 enabled to use Barika. For this demo, I'll leave 1 template disabled so you can see how the locked section works. Back in the Setup Shopify email template section and the template list, the enabled templates have copy and open buttons. The copy and open button copies the Barika code snippet and opens Shopify's email template editor for that specific template in a new window, already in edit mode. Start with the first template, click Copy and Open, then move to the new Shopify window that opens. Now we are going to use a consistent anchor so you paste the snippet in the right place every time. First, click inside the section with the title Email Body HTML. Then press Ctrl F on Windows or Command F on Mac and search for Visit Our Store. You will usually see 2 matches. Use the first Visit Our Store and ignore the second. Directly beneath that first Visit Our Store block, you will see the line that looks like this. Paste the Barika snippet immediately below that line. This places the Barika offer block in the correct part of the email. Click Save. And return to the Barika window and repeat the same steps for each of your enabled templates. Remember, only enabled templates have the Copy and Open button. Once complete, return to the Setup Shopify Email Template section. You will see this light green section that reads Snippet Verified. This confirms your enabled templates are ready to display partner offers. That brings us to the end of part 2. Let's recap what I've completed in part 1 and 2 of this video. 1. We've installed Barika from your Shopify store. 2. We've connected your Shopify store to the Barika platform. 3. We've successfully set up your Shopify email templates for Barika co-marketing. And that's it. Your Shopify store is ready for Barika co-marketing. Your next steps are to complete your Barika platform onboarding, which includes completing your brand trust settings, completing your payment details for revenue payout, and setting up your wallet auto top-up if you want to create offers. Barika turns Shopify customer emails into an AI-powered co-marketing engine. Earn revenue as a host partner. Reach new customers as an offer partner. All powered by AI. All brand safe. All automated. Enjoy co-marketing with Barika for Shopify.